Tony Calishaw, I'm Head of Department of Building Construction Management, Engineering Design at CIT. And part of what we're doing is we're bringing our students to construction sites so they have a much better understanding of the operation application of the industry in which they all happen to be part of.
Morgan Sidwell, I work for Lend-Lease, site manager out here at CIT Woden.
Simpel software helps manage the day-to-day operations on our project. The entry turnstile on our project is linked back to the software, which is an efficient way for us to grant and suspend access to workers on site. It is a very convenient way to manage documentation and stores it in one place, from plant inductions, permits, swims and bookings. Everything can be accessed from a single platform, which is efficient and a great benefit to site. We use software from the start of the day, where I send out builders briefs to all the subcontractors. We continue to use it throughout the day to update workers of changes and alerts that may happen throughout the working day. The software platform makes it very straightforward and easy for us to get our subcontractors safely inducted onto site, as it is widely used across the subcontractor base in Canberra, which is a plus to us and makes it very simple for workers to transfer their details over and come across to our jobs.
CIT in particular was good because it allowed me to further my education while still working full-time. The best part for me is definitely learning the behind-the-scenes reasons particular decisions are made, particularly why particular construction methodologies are chosen, especially on a project this size.
How you going? Michael McNamara. I'm doing diploma in building in CIT. The site walk was very good. Learned a lot. Yeah, I've been with Simpel for, well, probably 4 years now, so I've used it quite a bit.
I haven't used Simpel before, so today was a learning curve, but it was easy. Coming from residential, I still have the utes full of paperwork, so yeah, it's definitely a lot easier on the online, on the cloud type things.
This walk was very good. Been to other site walks with Tony from CIT. I want to become a builder. Started searching for what is the best. Then I came across CIT building courses. Then I joined the diploma course.
Theory is well and good in some ways, but most people in construction are much more practically based. So actually seeing the work being undertaken, having the experts like Morgan and other people we work with in the industry talk to the students about solutions, problems, when there are issues that come up, how they solve the problem, and I think from an industry perspective they're more adaptable and more prepared of what is actually involved in the job they're hoping to undertake.